everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will share expert tips on how to flawlessly select a blouse and color match it with your saree. Choosing the right blouse of your saree is crucial to enhance your overall look. Pay attention to color, fabric and design. Let's begin the color matching. When selecting a blouse color, consider the shades of your saree. If you have a vibrant or heavily embellished saree, go for a blouse in a natural and contemporary color. For subtler saree, you can experiment with the contrasting colors to make a statement. Just ensure that the overall combination is visually appealing. Now let's talk about fabric selection. For silk and heavy sarees, opt for blouse in rich fabric like silk, velvet and brocade. These fabrics are elegance and grace to your look. Light and breezy sarees such as chiffon, georgette pair well with blouse made for similar materials. This creates a harmonious and balanced ensemble. Lastly, consider the design of your blouse. If your saree has intricate pattern or heavy embellishment, choose a simple blouse design to let the saree shine. On the other hand, a plain saree can be enhanced with a statement blouse featuring a unique neckline and embroidery embellishment. And remember, your personal style and comfort should guide your blouse selections. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your looks. We hope these expert tips helped you in selecting a flawless blouse and creating perfect color combination with your saree. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Till then, bye, take care and thank you. Thank you for watching my video. And guys, if you want to purchase pure diamond chiffon saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye.